Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the alouweekuky 15 meter to 15 meter. It's the bird protection net. It's a bird net in black color. Tear-resistant plant net for chicken enclosures. Aviary net for protects fruit, trees, and vegetables from or against the bird eating. The mesh height is 5 to 5 cm. And we have here a strong and robust design. The poultry net is made of nylon materials. This is durable, practical, safe, and easy to install. The protective net is UV and weather resistant and can be used for many years. We have a good product size. This pigeon net for a balcony, for example, has a mesh size of 5 to 5 cm. The large mesh size is better for the safety of animals. Fully stretched, the bird protection net size is 15 meter to 15 meter. This is enough for us to cover our orchard or farm. And of course, you can use this on your head, hair, instead of hair. And it's really easy to use. We can cut it strictly to our needs. We attach it to the surface to be covered with the net clips or string to hold the Aviary net in place. Or we can attach it to a brush and a bush with a stand to see the result and protect our work. The bird catch net is really cool. Plant netting are suitable for garden plants, vegetables, fruit trees, and other plants. It can improve the air circulation without blocking the sunlight. This ensures a healthy growing environment for plants and increasing yields. It can effectively deter the birds and protect the fruits and vegetables without harming them. And it has many use sides. This garden net here can be used all year round to protect the crop from pecking, and are also suitable as a trellis for climbing plants. Or bird netting. Alouweekuky. It protects plants, vegetables, fruit, trees, crops, and flowers. It keeps out the birds, deers, and animals. An outer cover, this is either for a koi pond, for the pool. It's used with a garden fastening or a fan screen as a temporary measure. You see, it is really cool, and it comes with a diameter of 590.5 inches to 590.5 inches. And it's easy to cut by using a scissor. And its resistance against all weather types, which we have in our location. This is easy to install. We throw this bird protection net over the area we would like to protect. Then we cut it in place and we support it, and job's done. So easy it is to protect our plants, our fruit, our vegetables, or what we like to protect against, for example, birds. This is the alouweekuky 15 meter to 15 meter bird protection net. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.